Hello student, this is Yashadhari. In this video, we know about the how the 2D transformation will be done with the rotation operation we will see in this video. Okay, let's start. So, in a rotation, what is the meaning of rotation here? In the matter of changing with the help of angle. Means transformation we know it is a making the change in the given object or your a polygon, right? So in transformation we are already know how the translation is done and the your scaling is done, right? Now in this video we know about the rotation, how the rotation will be carried for, means how it will works. Okay, so in rotation an object is changed in the position with a particular angle. The angle is denoted with a theta from a origin. Okay, that is 0. So we have to take it with the origin O with the angle theta. So here we want to placing the a P, that is original one, means the here the line we can draw, or you can say a pixel want to move in a anti-clockwise. Okay. So for this reason we have to given a theta and a pi. Original means P is a xy coordinates. Whatever the change in the angle with the help of angle, we are denoting a P dash, x dash, y dash. Where the R is represent a radius, the distance. Okay. So from origin to a point. So in this is achieved using a trigonometric formulas. Why? Because we have encountered with the angle, right? For that's reason we are taking the trigonometric functions or formula. So which the transform the origin coordinate of xy to new coordinates x dash y dash using the angle of a theta and the period point, means where we have to changing the x of c, y of c is the center of a given point, means origin. Okay. The process typically involves translating the object so that the pivot is at the origin, applying the rotation, and then translating the object back. Means what it is means, what is the line says, means if you have a pixel here, want to rotate in an angle of a 30 or 45 degree. So we want to point here. Okay. So this is how they're saying that before we transferring, means it's a from this P to we going a P dash, it will travel a angle. Okay. It involves a angle. This a pivot is nothing but the origin, this line to we have to come back to the origin, and then it will change the angle, and then it will shift on the where we want, means how much angle we want to change the that given pixel, means in in short I'm telling we want to move a p coordinates to the p dash. That is, this is your period, P is a period, it will come back to the origin point, then it will rotate the with the given angle, then it will place to the this P dash. Okay, I hope this is clear. It's not that is a big thing. Here just we want to changing the given point to with the angle on. Okay, so next, how that this rotation matrix we have to write, means here is P is your origin, P dash is a change one with the help of a rotation. R is denoted the a matrix of a rotation. Okay, so if you want to calculate a P dash, then here the theta angle with the anti-clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, right? Clockwise is nothing but how the clocks moves, this is your clockwise. So basically we are moving to the anti-clockwise. It is also known as a counterclockwise. Okay. So take the sine and cos, because here angle is be considering. Okay. For we have to take in the x as a x as a r, that is radius of a cos theta. Cos theta means here the pi is there. The cos formula you maybe know the better, cos and sines, trigonometric operations. So here we are specifying x equals to r cos pi, that is equation 1, and y equals to r sin pi, that is second equation. Okay. So once we want to calculate the x dash y dash, that is your p dash, then it will taking the with the help of pi plus theta, means we are taking a pi and the theta both value, right? We are rotating here. So for that we have to taking the x dash equals to r cos of pi plus theta, means we are taking the cos a plus b. Okay, we have to extend this formula. What we get, r cos pi cos theta minus r sin pi sin theta. This is a trigonometric cos a plus b formula. We are just putting the values here. R sin theta plus, oh sorry, pi plus theta means a plus b. So what is the extended form of that sin a plus b? R cos pi sin theta plus of r sin pi cos theta. These are first equation is the x is have to taking the r cos pi and y is r sin pi, and we want to replace xy in the manner of a cos a plus b sin a plus b. R is here radius. Okay. So this is a figure we have to take. Okay. Now substitute the equation 1, 2 in a 3 and 4. Respectively, we will get okay, x dash equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta, y dash equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta. So we want to represent this is a equations in a matrix. We have to get the this one, x dash y dash equals to x dash x y into of a matrix, that is a cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Or we say p dash equals to p into r, where r is a cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is for your clockwise direction. Okay. So the rotation of a angle be positive and negative. This is your clockwise direction. This formula have to taken by the when we are clockwise direction we are moving. Okay. So what is the negative means the positive rotation angle we can use the above rotation matrix. However, for negative angle rotation, the matrix will be changes. How it changes? With the negative signs we have to apply to all the matrix. So for this is your a matrix for their negative angles. Okay. So here I am taking with one example, so you can easily get the concept. Okay. So rotate the triangle they given ABC by an angle 30 degree, where the triangle has the coordinates of A is 0, 0, B is 10, 2 and C is 7, 4. Okay. This is it. So we have to form the a triangle. Okay. This is your triangle up here. Okay. So want to rotate a 30 degree, means somewhere here. Okay, 30 degree. How the triangle you have to rotate, we'll see. So first we have to take the triangle matrix as a ABC. We given ABC for A coordinates 0, 0 is there, B is 10, 2, C is 7, 4. Right. Now we want to write down in the matrix. P dash we don't know. We have a R, that is a rotation matrix, and P is this given one. Okay. So R, what is the R? Here we are taking a 30 degree. For 30 degree it's so for this cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So it's going anti-clockwise, right? For this formula is given minus of sin theta. For clockwise, we have the minus sign in a first sign. Cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta cos theta. But here if we are taking the a 30 degree of anti-clockwise we are moving. For this reason cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So the angle is 30, right? So what is the cos 30 value? That's a root 3 by 2, and sin 30 is the value is 1 by 2. So now we have to represent the value in a matrix. So ABC is a given, okay. So this is P, this is R. We are mentioning the theta value, then what we get. So now we have to make the multiplication. This is a matrix multiplication. How we have to do? So this is, I hope you know how to do the matrix multiplication. Okay. I am hoping that you know, but here I am giving all the details. Here first you have to multiply this 0 with the both these. Okay. So this one, and next you have to multiply with this numbers. Okay, 0 0. So for this we get finally the values of a 0 0, 5 root 3 minus 1, 5 plus root 3, 7 root 3 divided by 2 minus 2. So this is all the matrix multiplication we have to do. So now this is a given one, right? After the getting this value, however, using this we can't make the graph, right? So for that we are making a, again we are getting the digital value in the form of a mixed fraction. We are taking the a digit value, that is fraction. For this we get the 0 0 for A, B is 7.66, 6.73 is for B, 4.06 and 6.96. You can change. Now this is how the angle, after changing the angle we get this a triangle moving into 30 degree. This is your result. You can display in the form of this, or you can display in the form of this. Okay. I hope the concept is clear to everyone. We will see in the next video. That is okay. Thank you.